Hello everyone, it's T behind the cam. Today we're going to be doing building and structural construction, and we will focus on arcs. So our question goes like this, I'll attach it. A 2-ringed rough brick segmental arc must be built over a fireplace. The span is 1200 millimeters with the rise of 1/6 of the span. I will show you how to solve that one. Then when it continues, it says draw to scale 1:10 the front view of the arc. Draw the bricks on the right hand side and show the geometrical layout on the left hand side. The completed drawing must include labels and dimensions. Clearly indicate all construction lines. So there is our question. Let's attempt the question and try to draw the arc. So first thing first, when you draw an arc, you start with construction lines. I start by drawing a line like this, a very faint line, making it dark so that you can see. Then we're going to say our span, they said it's 1200. 1200 divided by 10, it's 120, I think. 120, so we're gonna come here and measure 120 from here to here. So allow me to erase. So by then doing your 120, this side we'll take it as point A and this side will be our point B. So 120, you're going to divide 120 by 2 in order for you to get the center. So 120 divided by 2, it's 60. So we're going to come here from point A, then you measure 60 here. Then this is your center. We can label it point O. It's your center. Then after that, we're going to draw a straight line for the eyes. I'm going to draw a straight line and it shall pass to the bottom of your drawing. Straight line. For now we can leave it like that. Then they said our rise is 1/6 of the span. Our span, they said it's 1200. So when they say your rise is 1/6 of your span, you're gonna say the span 1200 divided by 6. You're gonna divide the 1200 by 6. Then the answer will be 200. Then you're going to say 200 divided by scale, which is 20. I'm going to measure 20 here. Then we have our point C. If the question said it's 1 maybe 5th of your span, we were going to say 1200 divided by 5. I hope you understand. So we have point number A, B, and C. So now I can join my point A and C. This side, using a straight ruler, I can join these 2 points. This. Right. Then after that, you're going to take your springboard compass or any other compass you can use or have. Then you're going to pin it on point number A. The purpose is to bisect line AC, this line, the red line. The purpose is to bisect it. To bisect is to cut into 2 equal halves to find the center. So I'm going to pin my compass here on A and open it until C. From there, I'm going to draw a arc like this. Then after I will come down here and draw another arc like this. Then after that, you're gonna pin on C using the same measurement. You're gonna draw an arc this side and arc this side. Then after that, you can see that we have a point here and here where the two arcs intersect, where they touch each other is a point. So we have point number 1 here and point number 2 here. So to get the bottom point, point number D, you have to join these 2 points using a straight ruler like this. Joining them like this. By then doing so, from here to here and here to here, it's an equal space. I bisected this line. So if from here to here is 20, even from here to here it's going to be 20 because I used the bisection method. So therefore, this will be my point D, where this line touches the center point of 1200, the center line of 1200. This is going to be my point D. Then from here you can draw your arc. So point D, you're going to use it as a construction point. So when you construct your arc, you are going to use point number D. It's clear. So from here, you're going to pin your compass on D and open it up until point number C, which is here. So when you point your compass on point number A, when you draw an arc, it must pass through point number C up to point number D, up to point number B, I'm sorry. If it doesn't pass here, something is wrong with your measurements. So it's gonna start from A, draw an arc until B, somewhere there. So when it's like this, it's a 1 brick. So you wanna come here, place your ruler here on D and A, place your ruler on D and A, and you're gonna construct a line this side in there. Then you're going to come this side from point D to point B and construct a line this side like that. So because it's a 1 brick wall, so you're gonna say a 1 brick, you know, is 220. So from this point going there, you're gonna measure 220. So 220 divided by 10 is 22. So you're gonna come here and measure 22 here. Then after that, you'll be able to join your arc. But they said it's a 2 ring. So on this 220, you're gonna divide this 220 by 2. So you could get your 110 or half. So you're gonna come here and measure 110. Here from B to here 110. So meaning you have this point, and this point is a 2 ring. So you wanna take your compass and pin it at point number D and open it up to this point, the middle point. Then you wanna construct this arc from here to the other side, like this. After that, you wanna open it up to the last point, which is here. It shows on the point exactly, and construct the arc again to the other side. So if you can check very clearly, you have those 2 rings we're talking about on the specifications. So by then doing so, I can do my brickwork this side. But just because they said it's too rigged, meaning it has what we call V joints. So you're gonna come here on your point D and take your radius stencil. So by them taking your radius stencil, you're going to use circle number 7 because it costs 7,5. So you're gonna use circle number 7 to construct the circle here, construction circle here. Here you must have a circle. So from point D, you can just draw a line here as a center line like this. You can just construct it like this. So you're gonna count in a stencil and use number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my circle number 7. Remember your circle stencil, as I've said, it must be level or straight. Then therefore you draw a circle here. There we go. So for the circle we have this side and this side and this side and this side. So the diameter of the circle, or the external part of the circle, we are going to use it to construct the bricks over here. Understood? So here you want to take your compass and measure 7,5 here. Open it up to 7,5 and point here on the middle line and bisect this line. Make a point here, point here, point here, point here, point, point, again a point, a point, a point, because they said on the left hand side only. So you're gonna come on this line again, bisect. You have a point here, point here, point, 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 again point. There you go, I've bisected my line. Right, then by then doing so, you will take your ruler, any ruler, then you place it on this side of the circle, the right hand side, and point it and make it in line, put it in line with this point, the first point, like this, and like this. You draw a line, here, like that. Then after, you're gonna shift it to this other side of your circle, the left hand side, and you put it over here. Then you draw a line like this. If you can check it, it's a V joint. It must be a V joint. So when I come to the second point, do the very same thing. Place your ruler like this on the circle, on the outer external part of the circle, on the point. Draw a line like this. After you come this other side, you draw your line like this. You can check it's a V joint. So again, for the third brick, you're gonna come here and do the very same thing for all these bricks. Make a line here, turn it over here. Make a line here. So for the other brick, you do the very same thing. Use the external part of the circle. Again, yeah, then I quickly done those other bricks. So for the last one, just right here again, I used the very same steps, the very same method, nothing new, nothing more, nothing less. So you can see that in all my V's, all of my V joints are facing up, and avoid straight joints by all means. Make sure that this V is not in line with this V. This one is not in line with this V. So when we build, we avoid straight joints by all means. That's why sometimes they will say we have kinds of brick bondings. So by then doing so, you're done with your arc. So let us go back to the question and check if we have done everything. So they said the right hand side, you just show the geometrical layout. This is our geometrical layout. So this one is those two rings using rough bricks on our left hand side, on our right hand side. So meaning we have completed all of these things. So what's left is for us to put the dimensions and all the labels for this drawing. Let me quickly do that.